hey there. Nice day, isn't it? Yeah. I'm so glad that the weather is better. This weather we've been having is crazy. I'm so glad that we finally have a nice day. What? Oh yeah. I'm fine. What? No, I don't have to sneeze. I'm fine. See? Fine. So, how has everything been with you? Uh-huh. Oh, sounds wonderful. Yeah, I'm good. No, I'm not gonna sneeze. I'm fine. So, yeah, I'm really glad that the weather is better. No, I'm not gonna sneeze. Okay, yes, I did sneeze, but that was just one time. Just one time. That's all that happened. One sneeze, that's all. No, I don't have to do it again. I'm fine. I mean, sure, I have allergies, but they're not acting up. Everything is just fine. My nose is completely normal. It's fine. I'm not gonna. Okay, I sneezed twice, so what? It's not a big deal. I mean, it's not like I sneezed like 1,000 times or anything. No, I'm completely fine. I'm not gonna. I don't have to sneeze. No, I'm good. See? All good. All good here. So yeah, everything's fine. All good. Okay, so yeah, that's like what the third time, but that doesn't mean anything. Yeah, I'm good. Just I'm fine. Just yes, I'm fine. I'm all good. Just got some tickles in my nose. But yeah, I'm good. I'm good. So, what's... Oh, wow. No, not gonna sneeze. Okay.